Welcome to English Listening Stories. Today's English is slow, clear, and easy to follow. Emma has had a long day at work. She's hungry and excited for dinner. Her food arrived right on time, but a small surprise turns a simple meal into a problem she didn't expect. Can she figure out what happened? While you listen, here is your question. What was the first thing Lucas noticed about the delivery bag? The answer appears later in the story. And stay until the end because we'll also review a few useful English idioms and expressions from today's conversation. Now, let's begin.
Hey, Lucas.
Hi, Emma. How was your day?
It was long, really long,
Busy at work again?
very busy. I had meetings all day.
That sounds exhausting.
It was. I barely had time for lunch.
Wait, did you skip lunch?
Almost. I only had a small snack.
No wonder you sound tired.
And hungry. Very hungry.
So, what's the plan for dinner?
I'm not cooking tonight.
Good choice.
I just want something easy.
Are you ordering food?
Yes, I'm opening the app right now.
Nice. What are you thinking about?
Maybe fried chicken.
Fried chicken always sounds good.
That's exactly what I was thinking.
From your favorite place?
Yep, the one on Main Street.
I know that place. It's good.
Their chicken is great.
What are you getting?
Fried chicken, fries, and a large Coke.
That sounds like a big meal.
I earned it today.
I agree.
I'm placing the order now.
Perfect.
The app says about 25 minutes.
That's not bad.
Honestly, I can't wait.
You must be hungry.
I really am. I've been thinking about dinner all afternoon.
Well, your food will be there soon.
I hope so.
Just relax. Your dinner's on the way.
That's the best thing I've heard all day. Lucas, I just got a notification.
Really?
Yes, it says my order has arrived.
That was fast.
Faster than I expected.
Are you going to get it now?
Yes, give me a second.
Sure.
Okay, I'm at the door.
Is the food there?
Yes, it is.
Nice.
The driver followed my note.
What note?
I wrote, leave it at the door.
That's what I usually do too.
It makes things easy.
Definitely.
I don't even need to meet the driver.
A lot of people like that.
Yeah, I think it's convenient.
It became really common a few years ago.
That's true.
Most delivery apps offer it now.
I use it almost every time.
Same here.
The bag looks good.
Is everything packed nicely?
It looks like it.
Great.
The restaurant put everything in one large bag.
That's usually easier.
The bag feels pretty heavy too.
That's a good sign.
I hope my fries are still hot.
That's always the big question.
You're right.
So, are you back inside now?
Yes, I'm carrying the bag to the kitchen.
Time for dinner.
Finally, I've been waiting for this all evening.
Then let's see what you got.
I'm putting the bag on the table now.
Good.
Everything looks fine so far.
Perfect. Open it up.
Okay, let's take a look. Okay, I'm opening the bag now.
What do you see?
Let me check.
Take your time.
I have the fried chicken,
Good start.
and the fries are here too.
Nice.
Everything smells really good.
Now you're making me hungry.
Sorry about that.
It's okay. Keep checking.
There are some napkins
That's useful.
and some ketchup packets.
Sounds normal so far. What is it?
That's strange.
What happened?
I don't see my drink.
Are you sure?
Let me look again.
Maybe it's at the bottom of the bag.
I don't think so.
Check one more time.
I'm checking.
And?
No, it's not here.
Really?
Yeah, that's weird.
What drink did you order?
A large Coke.
The large Coke is missing?
Yes.
Maybe they forgot it.
Maybe.
Can you check the receipt?
Good idea.
What does it say?
Give me a second.
Sure.
Okay, I found it.
Is the drink on the receipt?
Yes, it is.
So you definitely ordered it.
Yes, fried chicken, fries, and 1 large Coke.
Then something is missing.
That's what I think too.
That's frustrating.
A little. I was looking forward to that drink.
I don't blame you.
Especially after today.
Well, let's figure it out.
Yeah, something isn't right here.
Let's see what happened. Do you still have the bag?
Yes, it's right here.
Take a closer look at it.
Why?
Just check the top of the bag.
Okay.
What do you see?
There's a sticker across the top.
Is it broken?
No.
Not at all.
No, it looks untouched.
That's interesting.
What does that mean?
It means the bag was sealed.
Oh, right.
Many restaurants do that now.
I've seen it before.
Me too.
So, what are you thinking?
The driver probably didn't open the bag.
That makes sense.
If the seal is still there, the bag stayed closed.
You're probably right.
The driver usually can't check what's inside.
I never thought about that.
They only receive the bag from the restaurant.
So, they don't count every item.
Usually not.
I guess that would take too much time.
Exactly.
Then maybe the restaurant forgot the drink.
That's possible.
I was ready to blame the driver.
A lot of people would.
Now I'm not so sure.
It's better to look at the facts first.
Good point.
Do you still have the delivery information?
Yes,
Can you message the driver?
I think so.
Maybe we should ask before making assumptions.
That's fair.
Just send a simple message.
Something like what?
Maybe, I think my drink is missing.
That's simple enough.
Exactly.
Okay, I'll send it now.
Good idea.
Message sent.
Great. Let's see what the driver says.
Hi, this is Ryan, your delivery driver.
Hi, Ryan. Thanks for replying.
Of course. How can I help?
I think my drink is missing.
I'm sorry to hear that.
I ordered a large Coke.
Let me see.
Sure.
I remember picking up your order.
Okay.
The restaurant gave me 1 sealed bag.
The bag was sealed when you got it?
Yes, it was completely sealed.
I see.
Draggers are not supposed to open sealed bags,
That makes sense.
so I couldn't check the items inside.
Right.
Did you receive the chicken and fries?
Yes, I got those.
That's good.
But the Coke wasn't there.
I understand.
Has this happened before?
Sometimes, yes.
Really?
Usually, it's just a small mistake during packing.
I guess mistakes happen.
They do, especially during busy hours.
Tonight is probably busy.
Very busy, actually.
That explains a lot.
The good news is that the app can help.
What should I do?
Open the order in the app.
Okay,
Then look for the Help section.
got it.
There should be an option for missing items.
That sounds easy.
It usually takes only a few minutes.
That's good to know.
Customer support can review the order.
And they can fix the problem?
Yes, they can usually help with refunds or credits.
Great.
I'm sorry about the missing drink.
It's okay. I appreciate your help.
You're welcome.
Thanks for explaining everything.
No problem at all.
I'll contact support now.
Sounds good. I hope everything gets sorted out.
Thanks, Ryan. Have a good evening.
You too. Enjoy your dinner.
Hello, thank you for contacting support. Hi, I need help with my order. I'd be happy to help.
one item is missing. I'm sorry to hear that. My large Coke wasn't included. Let me check your order. Thank you. Can you confirm the restaurant name? It's Main Street Chicken. Thank you. One moment, please. Sure. I found your order. Great. I can see a large Coke on the receipt. Yes, that's the missing item. Just to confirm, you received the chicken and fries? Yes, I received everything else. Thank you for confirming. No problem. I'll mark this as a missing item. Okay, your request has been approved. That was fast. We try to make the process simple. I appreciate that. You now have two options. What are they? We can issue a refund. Okay. Or we can provide app credit. What's the difference? A refund goes back to your original payment method. So back to my card? Exactly. And app credit? App credit stays in your account. I see. You can use it on a future order. That makes sense. Many customers choose app credit because it's available immediately. That's useful. Others prefer a refund to their card. How long does the refund take? Usually a few business days. Thanks for explaining. Of course, I'll choose the refund. No problem. I've processed that for you. Perfect. You'll receive a confirmation shortly. Great. Is there anything else I can help you with today? No, that's everything. Wonderful. Thanks for your help. You're very welcome. Have a great evening. You too. Goodbye.
Hey, Emma, any updates?
Yes, everything worked out.
That's good to hear.
I just finished talking to support.
And?
They're giving me a refund for the drink.
Nice.
It was actually easier than I expected.
That's always good.
Definitely.
So, are you finally eating?
Yes, I am.
How is it?
Really good.
Even without the Coke?
Even without the Coke.
That's impressive.
I was pretty hungry.
I remember.
It feels funny now.
Why?
Because the problem seemed bigger 20 minutes ago.
That's true.
But it wasn't that hard to fix.
Exactly.
First, I got a delivery.
Right.
Then I opened the bag.
And you noticed something was missing.
Yes, my drink was missing.
The large Coke.
That's right.
What happened after that?
Then we checked the receipt.
Good idea.
After that, we noticed the bag was sealed.
That was an important clue.
It really was.
Then you messaged the driver.
Yes, he was very helpful.
That's nice to hear.
He explained that drivers can't open sealed bags.
Which makes sense.
After that, I contacted support.
And they solved the problem.
Exactly.
Sounds like a successful evening.
Mostly successful.
Mostly?
I'm still missing my Coke.
Fair point.
But at least I got my money back.
That's what matters.
And now I know what to do if it happens again.
That's valuable.
Hopefully it won't happen again soon.
Hopefully not.
Still, I'm glad I checked everything.
Me too.
Thanks for helping me think it through.
Anytime.
You're a good friend.
And you're getting cold fries.
Oh no, you're right.
Then stop talking and enjoy your dinner.
Good advice.
Have a relaxing evening.
Thanks, you too.
Talk to you later.
Bye, Lucas.
Bye, Emma.
Great job listening all the way to the end. Before you go, let's look at a few useful expressions from today's story. No wonder. Emma said she was very hungry because she barely had lunch. Lucas replied, "No wonder you sound tired." No wonder means something is easy to understand. For example, I went to bed at 2 a.m. No wonder I'm tired. He skipped breakfast. No wonder he's hungry. 2. Figure it out. When Emma discovered her drink was missing, Lucas said, "Let's figure it out." Figure it out means find the answer or solve a problem. For example, my phone isn't working. I'll figure it out. We don't know what happened yet, but we'll figure it out. 3. Work out. At the end of the story, Emma said, "Everything worked out." Work out means a situation ends well. For example, The meeting was stressful, but everything worked out. I was worried at first, but it worked out in the end. Now, let's go back to our listening question. What was the first thing Lucas noticed about the delivery bag? Write your answer in the comments. Writing your answer is a great way to practice English and remember what you hear. If you enjoyed today's story, please like the video and subscribe to English Listening Stories for more relaxing English listening practice. And if you'd like to support more stories like this, you can also become a channel member. Take care, keep listening, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next story. Bye for now.